Jeff Love, and I'm here to talk about my Fields Auto Works Cardinal Coupe. If I had to describe that car in one single word, I would call it brilliant. It is just a ton of fun to drive. It goes exactly where I want it to. I can put it anywhere on the track. It's fast, and it's just fun to be around a lot of other cars. Okay, I've had this car now for just over a year. I've got 12 events on it with at least 25 days, track days, and the only thing I've had to do to this car is change the oil and brake pads. There's not been any other maintenance that I've had to do on it, period. I've changed the oil maybe 4 times, and I've got 2 or 3 sets of brake pads in it, and that's been it for all of the maintenance for this whole year. It'll pretty much take anything you throw at it. With 310 horsepower in a sub 2,000 pound car, it's just fun to drive. It's 600 pounds less than a Mazda Miata, and it's got double the horsepower. What's not to like?